Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to explore Sky VPN, an app that can help you browse the internet with an extra layer of privacy and security. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Sky VPN and tap the Install button. Once the app is installed, tap Open. Step 2. When you open Sky VPN for the first time, you'll see options for both free and premium services. If you'd like to unlock additional features, you can tap the menu in the top right corner and create a premium account. Step 3. From the server list, select the location you want to connect to. Some servers are available for free, while others are part of the premium plan. Tap the arrow next to the server you want to use. Step 4. You can continue with the free version for basic use or upgrade to premium for added features such as access to more server locations. Step 5. Sky VPN will connect you to your chosen server, giving your internet activity an added layer of protection. Outro, that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to download, set up, and use Sky VPN on your device. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notified of future tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Stay safe and happy browsing.